Assalamu alaikum. I am Zahra with Discover Pakistan. Today I am delighted to be here at renowned Creative Language Academy, the hub of excellence for remarkable 12 years, with its conveniently located branches, main branch at Alamdar Chowk and second sub-branch at Agha Hadi Chowk. This academy has transformed countless life of students, empowering to enhance their skills and clarity of purpose. Today, we will explore the heart of this institution by speaking esteemed teachers and students to gain insight, its mission, and impact. So, viewers, we are going to talk to some students of Creative Language Academy. What's your name?
Sayeda Sania Rizvi.
Okay, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, what's your time here? Like, how long you have been attending Creative Language Academy?
I think 2 weeks. Yeah.
Okay, so what's your plan after completion of this course?
Okay, after I complete this English course, my future plan is to use what I have learned to improve my life. And I want to find better job where speaking and writing in English is important. And also to travel different countries and I talk to people in English without hesitation and confidently. And I can read books, novels, watching movies in English without subtitles. And I want to keep practicing English so can I have can grow and I have a more opportunity in my life. Thank you so much.
We're going to talk to a junior, a little girl over here. So, what's your name?
Alima, I'm Alima.
Okay, Alima. So, what motivated you to join this academy?
The thing which motivated me to join this academy is that I have heard lots of things about this academy. That this academy is a really good academy. By joining this academy, we can improve our speaking confidence. So this thing motivated me to join this academy. And after joining this academy, I realized that the thing which I heard that was true, and I really improved my speaking confidence, and I get lots of knowledge.
Okay, what do you want to say to the beginners who want to learn English?
Okay, so as advice, my advice for them that if they want to learn English, they should come out of their comfort zone. They should create an environment and try to speak in English, and they can also join this academy.
Okay, thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Kachu Sikten.
Okay, Skacha Septain. So, my question for you is that what is your favorite subject or activity at this academy?
Okay, if we talk about the classes in this academy, I think if I talk about myself, the most favorite class in this academy is Saryavar's class. That is what we call presentation or interview skills class. Because in that class, Saryavar focuses on the grooming of personality grooming of the student, and they're especially focusing on the interview skills and presentation skills. So I think my favorite class in this academy is Saryavar's class.
What do you want to say to the beginners who want to learn English, who want to improve their English speaking?
I want to give some suggestions for those new students who are nervous about learning English language. I'll give some 5 suggestions which is definitely fruitful for themselves. So let's move towards my point. First of all, they must have joined Creative Academy because it is an outstanding platform under supervision of brilliant teachers. And they must have believed in their self, said through their self that I can do it easily. Watch English dramas, movies, talk shows, and podcasts, which is also fruitful. And don't feel fear of failure because failure is the first step towards success. And they must be hopeful in their learning journey because hope serves as a driving force for well-being and success. And remember that small steps can lead to big results. Thank you so much.
Okay, first, thank you so much for your love, for your attention, but for accepting me. My name is Saida Parveen.
Okay, Saida Parveen. I want to know what was the thing that inspired you to join this academy?
You know what? To learn something and to do something out of the box, self-motivation is most important. So that's why I motivated myself. Except this, if we talk about other motivation, the name of this academy, Creative, means something innovative, think out of the box, creativity, inspired me a lot. After the senior student of this academy, shining star of this academy, motivated me a lot. Whenever I talk with them, I found maturity in their answer. I found value and found power in their words. That's why the student inspired me a lot.
Okay, so we are with one of the favorite teacher among students, Sir Razali Abdi. Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you?
Walaikum salam. I'm fine, Miss Zahra Waziri. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, sir. What do you want to say to our viewers regarding this academy, Creative Language Academy?
Well, thank you for coming here and spend your time. As far as Creative English Language Academy is concerned, so we have been, performing our, duties and services over here at Creative English Academy since 2012. It's a long journey, and I'm very happy. I and my team, we have been struggling a lot in order to give quality learning environment to students. As you know, English language is the most important language and international language. So students definitely they cannot continue with their educational career. They cannot go for a better higher education without this language, without having proficiency over this language. So we are trying our best to play our part. Those who are interested to be part of our institution, we say most welcome to them. And being a language teacher, I would like to advise the viewers, specifically the young generation, the students, to please learn English language. You can learn English language yourselves. It is not necessary that you should join any academy or institution. Yes, academy and institution can give you good environment where you can develop your language skills, but you can learn yourselves through social media, YouTube, Google, WhatsApp, rather. Okay, you can learn your language. So thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
God bless you. Most welcome.
We are with another amazing teacher of Creative Language Academy. Assalamu alaikum, sir. How are you?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sir, I want to know, first of all, your introduction. And secondly, I want to know about your experience and method.
Okay. My name is Yaur Abbas and I teach public speaking. Like if you see in this world, 70% of the people have stage phobia and no one is working on it. I just want to work on it and just want to remove the stage phobia from our society. And especially if you see in Baltistan, lots of the students, almost all the students have stage phobia. So I just want to remove this thing from our society. That's why I'm working on this, like how to improve our confidence, how can we improve our communication skills. What I believe in this era, this is the most important skill which we have to learn.
Okay, that's amazing, sir. Any advice for our viewers?
I just want to welcome all the students to Creative English Language Academy. And if you really want to improve your communication skills, we are here to welcome you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. To tell us about your first day, do you remember that? And can you tell us the difference between that day or now?
Okay, when I joined this academy first time, at that time I totally double mind because I faced this type of challenge first time this type of academy where I learned English language. But when I spend my time good here, I improve a lot. I learned many things. But in my first day, I think that I cannot learn, I cannot do. But that was my thinking. Okay, but after when I spend my good time here, I improve a lot. I feel shy when I joined this academy first time. I cannot speak, I cannot pronounce the word, but alhamdulillah now I'm here as a public speaker. I can speak, I can face the challenge, I can show my confidence. That's it.
What do you want to say to our viewers, how they boost up their confidence?
Okay, firstly, if to be honest, if I share my own experience, first when I joined this academy, at that time I was not able to introduce myself in front of people. But after day to day, due to the cooperation of teacher, the activities they are conducted over here, I participate in every activities. That's why I build my confidence. So the student who want to build their confidence, so if you want to build your confidence, at that time you should be volunteer in every situation. You can easily boost up your confidence.
Do you think English language necessary for your success?
Yeah, definitely. I think English language is very essential for my success because in my goals I want to become CSS officer. And you already know that English is primary language used in CSS exam. So I think strong English is very essential for me and very important and very necessary for me, for my success to become a CSS officer.
So thank you for watching. Our goal was to simplify your search for self-improvement resource. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.